A majestic continent filled with unspoilt beauty and mystical science. A prehistoric continent thought to be the cradle of mankind.
One shot, Cathy. He's dead. Right on the shoulder, Cathy. Right where you should have shot him. That is a beautiful bull.
That is beautiful.
It is absolutely enormous.
He does have that broken
Yeah, he does
claw.
have that
Yeah.
nipple. Well, Cathy, congratulations with your very nice kudu. We haven't put a tape on this thing yet, but I think it's going to be more than 60. We hope so. You made a great shot right on the shoulder. Didn't run more than 70 yards. He was dead. That's the way we like it.
Well, he's a wonderful trophy, and this is the largest animal I've taken in South Africa. And just a great thanks to Christo and Stella at Mabula Safaris and my wonderful PH Ron, because I wouldn't have gotten him without him. But he's a beautiful animal.
Good.
Thank you.
Kadina lady